everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my Supernatural Pan Interrupted update. This is a project that I started with my girl Amanda. I'm going to have her link down below. There have been a few people that have joined in. I'm going to have them listed down below as well. And if you would like to join into this project, we would love to have you on this journey. The more the merrier. If you are a fan of panning and you are a fan of Supernatural, then you know this is the project for you. Basically, I'm a big Supernatural fan, and I have been watching Supernatural for years. I'm sad that it's over, but you know, all good things must come to an end. So in honor of my love of Supernatural, I have decided to pan a product for every episode that has ever aired of this wonderful TV show. And right now I'm on season 4, and we're doing 6 at a time. And when we finish a product, episode, whatever, we roll that out, and then we roll in the next product and episode. So yeah, this has been going on for a hot minute. We started this in August of 2018. Yeah, we've been doing this for a while. It's going to keep going for a while. When we first started, I was putting a lot of really hard products in. It was taking me a long time to get through them. And I am coming to find out that this is going to take me like a decade if I don't get a move on it. So I'm doing a lot more usage goals on my products now. And that way I can get to every, episode before, I like die of old age. So that is my goal now, is to really do a lot more usage or pick easier products and be able to get through more episodes so that I can remember all of the episodes and enjoy them, because it's a good show. If you don't mind dark stuff, it is like the battle of good versus evil, and there's a lot of supernatural stuff going on. If you're into that kind of stuff, then you will probably really like it. There are a lot of very campy episodes though, and those are probably my favorite. It's a good show, but it is definitely not for the faint of heart. It is not for everyone. So just putting that little thing out there for you. All right. So I do have 2 products that will be rolling out. So I will be bringing in the next 2 episodes and 2 products for those, but let me show you what I still have in, because I feel almost like a slacker with the things that are still in here, but it is what it is. I set some pretty hard goals for some of these, like I said, when I first started doing this, and yeah, gotta make up for it now. The first one is a very Supernatural Christmas. I have this CleanColor nail lacquer in Holiday Jingle. I'm trying to use this 20 times. That was an insane goal, but yeah, like it was brand new when I started, and it is down to here already. I have used it 16 of 20 times, so I still need to use it 4 more times. And this is not an easy color to use. It is very hard to remove, so I don't use it that frequently, but I will eventually get it done. I'm hoping in the next 2 months I can have that done, so using it twice a month. I don't think that's completely unreasonable. We'll just see how it goes. All right, for Mystery Spot, that episode was like Groundhog Day, so I decided to pick something that I have a lot of, where it's like repeating over and over and over again, even with slight variances like the episode. So I chose the Event Blossom Lip Balm. Haven't touched it in months and months and months, because it's potted, and I hate having to use a lip brush. It will get melted down, and I know I keep saying that, but y'all know that like my whole lower level got flooded. We've had walls ripped out. We had the flooring and the carpets ripped out, and it is in complete and utter chaos. So I've been spending all of my extra time dealing with packing everything up down there and trying to get some semblance of order so they can come in and reconstruct the walls and redo the flooring and all that happy horse hockey. So, I will eventually get to it. It's just right now is not that time. So moving on to Time is on My Side. No, it's not. Lies. It's lies. Time is not on my side. That is about a doctor that is obsessed with eternal life and youth and stuff like that. So I chose an anti-aging product that I haven't used since the last update. This is the Exuviance Age Reverse Hand Rejuvenator Peel. And then this is the cream that goes with it. So after you do the peel, then you put this on. It moisturizes and neutralizes and all that fun stuff. I have not made that time for myself. It's horrible. I haven't done it. No Rest for the Wicked. I chose No Rest for the Vivid, the ColourPop Jelly Mutt Shadow, and I am attempting to use this 20 times. I am at 9 uses, and I'm making good progress on it. Even in just the 9 uses, it wasn't brand new, but I'm still making good progress on it. I really like this one a whole lot. Don't know that I will have those 11 uses done by the next update, but I should have quite a few more because I do like it, and it is currently in my makeup basket, which helps things, especially since they're 2-week baskets right now. All right, the two that are rolling out were two that got rolled in last time. This is In the Beginning and Metamorphosis, and In the Beginning was when Dean goes back to 1973 and he sees Azazel feeding his brother Sam his blood, his demon blood. And then in Metamorphosis, it is when, present day, when Sam is tapping into that demon blood that is in his system. So they were both very blood related. So I did the shampoo and conditioner of the Sicilian Blood Orange and Blackcurrant shampoo and conditioner. I put them in for 5 uses each. I used them 5 times each. Actually, I used them a little bit more than that because I was really enjoying them a whole lot. But look, and there's a hair on top of one of them. Yay. So yeah, those are rolling out. I have a feeling they will be back, but I am planning to finish a different Not Your Mother's shampoo and conditioner duo. So while I enjoyed that, I need to also focus on what I have in projects that I need to finish. So, those are going to be rolled out, and I'm going to roll in the next 2 episodes. The first one, and this is one of my absolute favorite episodes of all time from Supernatural. Absolutely love this episode. It's done in black and white. It is Monster Movie. It is awesome. It is so awesome. In this episode, there is a shapeshifter that, let me just say, first of all, it takes place during Oktoberfest. And then there's this shapeshifter that turns into old Hollywood monsters like Frankenstein and Dracula, those kind of monsters, like the old classics. And it is so funny. It's definitely one of the campy episodes, especially when Dean says that after he came back from hell and he was rehymenated. If you are a Supernatural fan, you know the episode that I am talking about. It is so funny. It is so funny. But anywho, getting back to the product, that one is, because they're old Hollywood monsters, I decided to go with that theme of Hollywood, which I almost went with Oktoberfest because, I do actually have an eyeshadow called Oktoberfest, but I'm like, I can't put that big eyeshadow in. If I'm going to do an eyeshadow, I'm going to have to do a smaller one. So I'm putting in an eyeshadow, but it's not Oktoberfest, which is a very, very pretty kind of eyeshadow. It's an orangey. It's just what you expect for fall. But anyway, I am putting in one that is called Hollywood, and this is from the Depotted Profusion Eyes Palette. And it already has pan. It's already on the thinner side. I want to say it's already been repressed. I'm going to attempt to finish this. Not by the next update, because I know someone's going to say, you're going to finish it that fast? No. But I do want to finish it. I'm going to keep it in until it's finished. Like I said, it's got pan and it has been repressed, so it's not super thick. I think I could probably have it out in 2 to 3-ish months if I try really hard. That's the thing, if I actually try to do it. All right, and the next one is Yellow Fever, another hysterical episode. Season 4 is probably one of my absolute favorite seasons. There was so many good episodes. Yellow Fever, I'm sorry. It's so funny. If you know this show, at the very end, Dean lip syncs to Eye of the Tiger. I should have worn my shirt because I actually have that a scene from that episode on a shirt, and I blew this opportunity to wear that shirt. But yeah, so I am actually going to go off the color. I can't stop laughing because I have like both of those two episodes just playing through my head right now, and it's very funny. But because it is called yellow fever, you can get like ghost sickness, and they get a rash and they scratch and they become paranoid and stuff like that. That is what the premise of the episode is, but there are moments where it's absolutely hysterical. And because it is called yellow fever, I chose something that was yellow. I am bringing in my Eco Style, this I believe is argan oil gel, because it's yellow fever. It made sense in my brain. I want to use this 5 times. Again, it's trying to get through products, and I have other styling products that I'm working on, so I wanted to fit the prompt, but I also wanted to be able to not have something sit in here forever like this nail polish. So we are going to go with 5 uses. So I have the eyeshadow and the gel that are rolling in, and I have some other things that I have neglected that I really need to get through so that I can get on to more fun stuff, because it gets boring to not use up my stuff. All right, I'm going to wrap this up. If you have joined in and I am unaware of it, and I have not put you in my description box, please, please, please let me know in the comments, and I will add you to the description box. If you have not joined in and you would like to, we would love to have you. Anytime I start a project, anyone is always welcome to join in, because, you know, this is a community, and I love the whole community aspect of it. All right, I'm going to wrap this up because I got a lot of stuff to get done before I can go to bed. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.